Shwaban Pash ki khubor ki babnya pechwa ekimat pekongsan. Bu mau nongrim umitri rangba ke Jelaya ke 5-star hotel ke Balai ke Meghalaya ke Aurika hotel Hashlong. Pelat ukonrat ke Sangma ya ke Pain My City ban kentiu ya ke jepenya kam ki jakasor hatura. Kinta nangyalam ke TMC Dr. Mukul Sangma banit pai biang sya ke Kongres. Bat kintu Dr. Mukul Sangma ban om penlong kam sain perthai ya ke tenat kulit ha ke jela. Ki khubor ki babnya. Menteri Rangpa ke Jelau Konrad Ki Sangma nin kesngi ulabu ya umau nongrim na ke benta ke 5-star hotel ke Balai jong ke Meghalaya ke Aurika hotel by Lemon Tree Hotels Limited a Orchid Hotel Polo. Ke Aurika hotel kandai ke 5-star hotel barem dor haring kat sis pa live hoteli ki kamera pat onte ya ka haga jenglut ke basis pa arpusau klor ling ba ke PPP model. Haba ai jengkeren ke jengelang usang mau laong bakani ke projek kadai ke projek PPP model ke bahet tam hapo Meghalaya bat kan sakentiu ye ki kam jngok kai perthei ke yok ke kot bat kalat yok kam yok jam na ke benta ki samla. Ula benrap baki jengbei tingka ha ke tenat kam jngok kai perthei kat plelat kumbashi lak teli ki kam ki jam hapo ke jela.
130 rooms in this particular hotel. This is a luxury 5-star hotel, top of the line with facilities like banquet halls and other amenities so that we can attract not just clientele from all over the country and the world, but we'll be able to promote large MICE tourism. So this is for meetings and conventions, and Shillong is already becoming a place where large organizations, large government departments are having their big meetings and conferences in Shillong.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad Ki Sangma ula pelat ya ke program Pain My City Tura West Garo Hills da ke jing temu ban pen bahaya ke jing pen yat kam hagi jakasor ke jing edon benta jo ki nong shong snong ba ke jing ku jing subah jong ke sor bat ke jing pen itenat ya ke ni ke jing lang ke lapen long da ke district planning office lapen long ha district auditorium Tura kani swing jam ke tmuru ban kmi bnia ya ki jing tenju agi jakasor bat jing pen bet pen rinti ya ki jing shakri jong ke tanat municipal da ke bapendon kam ki la jing pen bet ling ba ki kor ke juk start technology na ke benta ki jakasor ke ba bet ke ba biang bat ke ba khuit ke ba suba kumju kani ke jing lap ke tmu ban pen bet ya ki jing kum ka hakaliang ka jabo jaban ki ken ro bempat airong ki jing te bempat sna pendap ki bakata ekadur kadar jong kasor ba ke jing pendon kam halor ke jing pesol thu ke ban ne padeng ki nong shong snong ban pen pha ya ke jing ko jing suba ban pen jing pen itanat ya kasor.
The line of the imagination and the objective that was set out by Honorable CM sir. He initiated this thought process that once we are done with the streets now, the next step forward is to start with the walls for the city. And we see that many of our walls can be a very beautiful artistry, can be a very beautiful graffitis, can be a very beautiful street art. And this is a way where we can not just encourage our local youth to prepare and present some of the best of cultures from the Garo Hills region, but best of these art forms as well. And in that process, make Tura a much more beautiful, a much more cleaner city.
Unong yalam ka Trinamool Congress Dr. Mukul Sangma ula keren syai ba umdan jengmut syuk ban penyaso biang ke Congress da ka babenrap ba ka jeng pelek jengmut jong galong banyak kun yikitu ki badon ha ka bor sinshar ute uriu sain perthai shimlakan taj bakala bandon ka jengmi jong ka seng sain perthai bethamai hadian abot Barah ke juk por usang mau laken tho ke jingete lok pedeng ke Congress bat NPP ha KHASI da ke boong ba ke Congress ke don bentalang bat ke NPP ula banjuru ba ki jing persang jong u ki kedolenti bat penklan ya ke jela
directly and indirectly hand in glove with the same dispensation. So why would Mukul Sangma go and why should I go? Do I need Congress to serve the people? I started my innings as an independent MLA. Yeah, I don't have a godfather in politics. I have only the people who think the same way, people who share my ideas, and people who dare to fight will be with me. I don't believe in shortcut. Because somebody may be thinking, oh, if Mukul Sangma goes, then it'll be easier for it. That is their opinion. It may be easier, but Mukul Sangma doesn't believe in not fighting. Mukul Sangma believes in fighting for the right cause.
Unong yalam kaseng TMC Dr. Mukul Sangma ulah khot ben pin kutno ya kajeng penlong kam san perthai katanat pulit ha Meghalaya da kebakentu baya katanat pulit umdai ben pendon kam da kanu kaseng lani kiriu shimet ben penbet ya ka kam shimet jongki haba ajeng kren hadin kajeng lang jong State Security Commission u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulah pen pau kajeng so kya halor ka san hima ki kam ki bedai ba ka imlang sa alang but ki jing tu klar ki bor banabari ka tanat pulit ha kathan west jong ka jela kam tam ha Garo Hills ula banjur halor ke jingdon kam kerki pen pendunaya kum kini ki jingle da ka bamaham ba wat ya ki officer ki ba shempangru teng laju lap ba ki le don bor lani le bakla ya ka balade bani kren
Suppress and oppress people who don't belong to their particular, in different way, even sometimes politically also. But this trend is wrong because in our given democracy, political parties will come and go. Sometimes some political parties will be in power. Subsequently, some other political power may be in the power. But what is required to be avoided is because this trend, if allowed to continue, then the perception of the people will be such that okay, we can manipulate and we can misuse this power if we are in the government. Let us put an end to that thoughts and ideas.
U lampang ke yeng dorbar thawan ke jelau Thomas E Sangma nen ke si ula lumbi ke jing lang jong ka High Power Committee. Ban kmi bnya ya ke jing pentelun ki kam ki jama ke bede ke jing pentre ke yeng dorbar thawan bethamai ha mau deng. Habakren hadin ke jing lang u lampang ula ong ba ka thong balabu pendep ya ke yeng mala bethamai jong ke yeng dorbar thawan la penjlan. Haringkat ke jing temu ban plie ka ya ka haswa jong ke dorbai senrai jong usnam arhajar arpusan. Kajing slam hakabe day pat kani la ban ong ba kade namar kajing long kelan ba jing long kerpang jo kajing wandur katunum pelun ka badon kam kajing long benya bat pikir ha kadukom trekam
has been designed is there is no such design anywhere in this part of the country, so we are going very slow and we are going very careful about it. So we have asked the structural engineer has to be posted. It's already posted, so we want to go slow. We want to see another mishap happening. So the SPC has decided the work progress so far is going on very satisfactorily. But then, since this is a very new structure design for us, so we are going little slowly.
Ka Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority haringkat kajing stock tilang ke state level bankers committee ke Meghalaya hne kaski kelapan long ya ke outreach program halor ka Atal Pension Yojana hakodiat marriage long Uchaman ka PFRDA udipak manti habakrench kelapatai khubor labatai ba ka Atal Pension Yojana kathmu nak bentaki riu shimet ki ba kajing yo kaduna bat kitu ki bam yo bentai ki bai bam baken thop ki nong trei karep karyang bat ki trai jo ki kam khai berit ka skim ka terwaru ya ki bai bam na do shi hajar tingka hadu san hajar tingka kat kum ka jing sinyang ki riu shimen ki ban na do riu postnem ka kerta bat kani ka program ka jo ka por ka thmu ban kintiu ka jing pesol tho hapedeng ki jaka ken show bat ki nong trei ba khmat ban penbun ki jing penrum kerteng
pension, because if you're working in an organized sector in a company which gives you pension, but people working in agriculture, small businesses, they don't have access to pension. So APY gives a pension between 1,000 to 5,000 rupees. So people would have to contribute to the scheme, and so it has three benefits. At the age 60, the person gets pension depending on his or her contribution. If he or she passes away, the spouse gets similar amount of pension. Both of them pass away, then the accumulated amount, whatever they have put, along with interest, is given to the next of kins.
Ka sarkar jilla hinin kasi kalapan longia ka jing lang lembat kinong ikai jong ka SSE benikren halor ki jing dawa ki jong ki. Haba ai jengkren hadian ke jengelang uba Aristotle Rimbai ubedi President Jong Meghalaya SSA School Association ulong baka sorkar kala pensyai hakabede baka kerdan jo kinong hikai SSA kat kum ki kendon jo ke sorkar India omde ban don da kum wei pat ki kerdan ka benta kinong hikai SSA uba Aristotle ula kedau bah Meghalaya menta ki don artli hakathup kerdan kata kinong hikai SSA bat kinong hikai sorkar Kikendon kat kum nak sorkar India ko ong babaro art li kikenhon ki ban ha papo ke jing penyat tang kawai ke kenhon kata ke sorkar jela kinong hikai SSA kila dawaya ke jing pen kiu tulop ban pen kelai ke Meghalaya School Education Service Rules ki jing mentoi hadian bela syong that bat ke jing pen bet ya ki baik kimat
regarding those 8 points which we from the association have submitted to the government through the education department during the first meeting which was held on 18 November 2024. And out of those 8 points, 5 points have informed us that the education department are taking them into consideration and further discussion is needed regarding those 5 points.
Ka Office Kam Jong Research District Officer Lembat ka Research Station and Laboratories Jong Kathan kila rakhi ko World Soil Day 2024 wa East KHASI Hills District. Haba Ajeng Kren Director ka Agriculture JC Lingdo ila banjur halor ka jingdon kam ban tho ya ka khindo ha ka jing pet ki bobonjat. Ila penslor ru ye kinong rep ban shimi ki sbo ba im ban pen thamai ka khendo bat ban pendunai ka jing pendon kam ye ki sbo dawai ka bobo jing ma ye ka kwat ka kya jo ki brio bat ka jing long ka khendo ha ka ni kisni la pelat ru ka soil health card bat ka link dop halor ka jing shim nuksa ya ka khendo bat la sam ye kinish kinong rep jong ka than pum shibenta ban kinti ka rukom rep ka bane
Jing rakhi ya kani kis la bon snam phila tips pangani soil testing la bon snam ki officer ki staff jong kani ka office ki la wan shekishnong ki jong pi ban lummi ki khndo ban test ki khndo ki jong pi khlang ban test ki khndo ban ki la ju ai ya kani ki soil health cards man usnam ban batai ya phi kumno ban ai ya ban ai sbo kumno ban principal ya ka khndo jong pi
Kinong shong shnong ki bashong basa markap ka khapo jo ka Meghalaya but Assam khamta makathan sukur birya ka baha papo ka himajirang Riboy district kim ban se bani ri ki jakari ni ki bangka na ka daw ka jingwan pinthut jo ki hati klaw na ka por ki jakar rep jakariang ka jongki hinin kasi ka por kum basaw bije janbi e layo i shbondli ki hati klaw ki bathmu ban rung ki jakar rep ban let ba mi ki jingthu jing tep jo ki nong rep ka tiga than ka jingwan jong kini ki hati sha kini ka thai kalawan ra jing sko kya na ka benta ka jing sngan ju ki nong shong snong bat ka kamai kaji ka jong ki kum shibenta jong ka azadi ka amrit mahotsav ka district disaster management authority nongston ringkat ka jing snok tilang bat ka civil defense and home guard West KHASI Hills kila penlong ka jing ai jing hi kai bat mock drill ka ba ars ngi halor ka jing pendon kam ye ki Lieng OBM lani outboard motorboard ha ka dolen nong knum kabla long ka lai bat sautrik metau benai kani ka program ka thmu ban pen yar ya ki jing pen kre de ki snong ki thau bat ka jing la ban shna ban pen ya ki jing ja pe de bat ko ki volunteer jong ka abda mitra ki nong yalam linti ya ki nong jong kai per the ki sinjuk bat ki nong shong snong ki la yo bat sha hi kai ka be de bat ka rukom ban pelat emi ki brio na ko ka jing pen ya ki basngan ki lieng OBM bat ki rukom a jing ya bekir ki Riboy District Sports Association Lingbak Athletic Committee kelapan long ke jing persang benda ka siban jit kinong ile kai jong ka kinhod Riboy District na benda ka Limpong Meghalaya Games ka bansawan kumbashis pa ngot ki shinrang bat kinthei glale binishim benta kani ka jing persang ha ka baki officer jong ka RBDSA kelapan bena batang lai pongot kinong ile kai kata khatsanut ki kinthei bat khatsanut ki shinrang kila sha jit pan mi khmat na ka district sha ka Meghalaya Games Kumachupan mau ya ke Limpong Meghalaya Games ke Bahan Rio on pensedang hau benai ke laling kot jong senam 8,000
na atlet jong ka RBDSA kiban lai panisi benta hakane ka 6 Meghalaya Games ban long Hawaii jer bat ngi la pendap ro apo jong kini ki sngi baladam iya ka swimming hang teh po trail fun pack hang teh po umtro hang teh ngilayo ya ki nong jingi ki babun hi ki samla shanrang kan thek laiwan bat menta ka snem ka sin menengkong ke ba nagaliang jongka Riboy District Sport Association ni simbenta ha ka jingi dei bat ka swimming te ha ka jingi dei bat ka archery ru ngi menta ka snem nagaliang jongka RBDSA ngi simbenta bat ka practice ya kan ka kam ngi senang penlong hapo ini kisngi bat kum juru ngi la pendep ya kan ka trial kom selection ya ka football na ka menta ki kintai bat shinrang hapo madan nong jiri
Mentang ini pek kejak long cuman kesibuk dengan long bahasa long kejak kriat kelong 0.5 degree Celsius kejak kelong katsan 0.0 degree Celsius kejak sengam kau hau kelong nyopo nak kesispa kepor min step ba nyopo prana kesispa kepor janmit kesun benengkan rekiang haki bubun ki jaka pat kala beton kejak dum ok ndo ke ba malu malaki kat tu kan ki jaka Showen poi sebukut jang tu kubon pe piang sisi ni kimat pekongsan Bo mau nongrim umentri rangba ke jelai ka 5-star hotel ke balai Meghalaya Aurika Hotel Hashalong. Belai konrek ke sangma ya ke paint my city ban kentiu ya ke jing penyat kam haki jaka sor hatura. Kintat unong yalam TMC Dr. Mukul Sangma ban lek pai biang syaka Kongres. Bat kintu Dr. Mukul Sangma ban om pelongkam sain perthai ya ketmat kulit dah kejela. Ti perlu ketung lapoi so bukut jong tu kubor jengim ta ke janmit. Hadu bini syamya mat pila syai ke singi kublai pi baro.
Bhutan King Jigme Khesar Namgyal Wangchuk and Queen Jetsa Pema Wangchuk today met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi. During the meeting, Modi admired Jigme Khesar Namgyal Wangchuk's vision for Bhutan's progress and regional development. In a social media post, the Prime Minister said both countries are committed to advancing the unique and enduring partnership between